In the Joomla extensions directory, you'll find Fabrik in the Contacts and Feedback Forms section. Fabrik is far more than a form builder, however. If all you need is a simple contact form, there are easier and faster ways to create one. Where Fabrik shines is when you need to go beyond basic forms. On the Fabrik website, fabricar.com, the developers describe Fabrik as a custom web application builder. On their demo page, you can begin to see some of the potential with the ability to create charts, a calendar, and Google Mapping. Fabrik allows you to do a lot of this without requiring knowledge of MySQL and PHP. The component is free. There's an active forum if you need to ask questions. The community section is for anyone to use. There are also several subscriber packages that provide access to higher levels of support. We'll get started by downloading the component from the download page. I'll be working on a Joomla 3 site, so I need to download the Fabrik version that's compatible with Joomla 3. Click Download and save the file to your computer. Fabrik installs like any other Joomla component. From the Administrator panel, click Extensions, Extension Manager, click Choose File, and select the file you just downloaded. Click Upload and Install. After installation, you can access Fabrik from the Components menu. There are several tabs on the right. The News option shows the latest from the Fabrik blog, giving information about the most recent releases of the component. Useful Links gives handy access to the website, forum, and the documentation wiki. The Tools tab allows you to install sample data for Fabrik if you'd like to experiment with that before creating your own content. I'll go ahead and install the sample data so we can get a quick overview of how Fabrik structures things. At the top of the left menu is Lists. Lists display content from a database table. Here we have a contact list which uses a table named JOM FB Content Sample. Next are forms. Forms allow you to enter the data that will be stored into your list. If we click View Data, there currently aren't any records stored in the list. But if I click Add, you can see the layout for the form. Forms consist of elements, like the first and last name fields. Elements can be combined into groups. This form has two groups, the contact details and the inquiry group. Another concept to grasp is that Fabrik allows you to add and update your data from both the administration panel and the front end of the website. We'll start off working from the administrator side, then we'll add a front end interface.